What's up there, Brozilla? Welcome back to another episode of Cloud for Bros, where we're diving into everything cloud for bros. I'm your host, Dylan Poley, and today we're going to be diving into what exactly the fuck Amazon EC2 is, and stick around to the end because I'm going to show you how to actually provision your very first EC2 instance, and yes, that means creating your own Amazon Web Services account. Yeah, so here's the lowdown. EC2 actually stands for Elastic Compute Cloud, which is a web service provided by Amazon Web Services that allows users to rent these virtual computers or virtual machines on which to run their own applications. Now, EC2 instances are so powerful in that they're easily scalable and resizable, meaning that users can easily increase or decrease their computing capacity based on demand. Now, this flexibility really makes EC2 popular for a wide range of applications, from hosting websites and running web applications to perform data processing tasks and running machine learning algorithms, for example. With EC2, users have full control over their computing resources, including the choice of the operating system, the instance type, the instance size, and all the configurations. It's truly very customizable. So essentially, it's a fancy term Amazon uses to make us feel like we're stepping into a sci-fi movie, but really, it's just a flexible way to run your applications in the cloud. Think of it as a virtual computer of sorts or a virtual machine that you can stretch or shrink depending on your needs. Now, isn't that very comforting to think about, right? You can stretch it like a pair of pants that you wear for Thanksgiving, right? Because you know you might need a little stretch, okay? You might need a little stretchy stretch, so you decide to put those pants on. EC2 instance, baby. Thanksgiving pants. Amazon EC2 has been around since 2006, and yeah, you heard that right. It's been 15 freaking years, and EC2 is still the granddaddy of AWS services, older than some of the Game of Thrones plot lines. So you've heard what EC2 is, some very foundational information, but let's dive into how exactly to provision an EC2 instance from scratch. Don't worry, it's as easy as ordering takeout on a Friday frickin' night, baby.
All right, so I'm on Google. I'm gonna come over here to AWS Create Account, toggle on down here to create account, and go through the process and sign up to create your free tier AWS account. I already went ahead and did that, and I made a Cloud for Bros. As you can see here, this is a root account. So when you create an account, it's going to be a root account. It's my account ID, and then for the purposes of this demo, toggle on over to the search bar, type in EC2. Okay. So as you can see here, we have the EC2 dashboard and a bunch of different options, which we will go into on later videos. But for this brief demo, I'm just going to show you how to quickly provision your own Amazon EC2 instance or a virtual machine. So click on instances. As you can see here, I already created one this morning, Cloud for Bros demo. But we're going to go ahead and create a new one. I'm going to walk you through the process. We're going to go ahead and click launch instance, give it a name. I'm going to name it Dylan's EC2 demo. Okay, you're going to go down here and you're going to choose your operating system. Now there's a bunch of different ones that do different things for different workloads, but for this instance we're just going to use the Amazon Linux because it's in the free tier eligible category. Then we're going to go down here to instance type. This is where you're going to choose the capacity and what your virtual machine can do, okay? But for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to do T2 micro. And you're going to need to create a key pair. It's very simple. Just go over here, create key pair, give it a name, leave the default RSA on, and you're going to want to keep the .pem available and create key pair. I already did that. Dylan's key. And go ahead and leave all the network settings as default for right now. You can go ahead and change that later. Configure store. Okay, and then that is it. And all we have to do is launch instance. There you have it. You just built your very first Amazon EC2 instance. You can go ahead and click on this, go to the dashboard. Oh, would you look at that? You can go ahead and click on the instance ID, and bam, this is all your information. This is all the information regarding your specific instance that you just created. You have the ID, the instance type, and down here we'll go over in later videos. It's got status and alarms, monitoring, security, networking. You can do a whole crap ton of stuff with this, and it's freaking amazing. But that's it, and I hope you found value in this. See you later.